Hi, this is Anna from DOIT. This video is going to show you how you can create an email alias. And what you need to do first is launch your internet browser. And for this video, I'm just using Safari. So you need to go to the My UMBC page, either clicking on the link on the top right hand corner from the UMBC main page or typing in my.umbc.edu on the address bar of your browser. Once you've logged in successfully, mouse over your name and click on the profile from the menu and go down to the section labeled email settings, and there should be an option labeled email aliases, and click on that. So this is where it asked me to relog in, so I'm going to log back in. I'm just using my test account for this video. So basically, some of the things that you can use your setting an email alias is during the account creation process. If you've just selected your campus ID and that happens to be your email, you can set something more meaningful here by creating a custom email address. Also, if you're married or you have a name change, this is also a way to change that information and update it and having it be activated immediately. Unfortunately, we can't really change the username once you've selected that in the account process, but this is our workaround of being able to provide you with something more meaningful when you're handing out your email address. Also letting you know that you're not able to log into any of the systems with this email alias. It's just a way of a pointer, to let everybody know that the mail that's sent to Shirley Temple286@umbc.edu, like I have here, will still go into the S45, which is what my actual UMBC ID is for this test account. So basically, I already have one set here, and you're allowed up to 3. And I'm just gonna do something that I can send out if I'm using my email address and giving it out to potential future employers while I'm still studying here, but I want to have something a little bit more professional looking. So I'm going to select shirley.temple and then click that option to change the custom email addresses. And that's basically it. If you're using our email services, the UMBC old system, to send and receive email, that's all you need to do. But if you're using UMBC's Gmail, you need to add an extra step of adding that custom address. I'm just going to go to gmail.umbc.edu, and this change needs to happen in the web and not, you can't do it in Thunderbird or Mac Mail or Outlook, so you need to do it in this account. So once you've logged in, you need to click on the gear that my mouse is swirling over, and it's giving an options alternate tag. So it's either the gear or the cog or the wheel. Click on that and go to mail settings. And then what you need to do is go to the accounts link. And then here, what you need to do is go to the second row that's labeled send mail as, and click on the link add another email address you own. And here you can add in shirley.temple@umbc.edu, and then you can treat it as an alias and click next, and then it's just going to send a verification to make sure that the email address was already pre-created, so you had to do the UMBC part before you can register this to the Gmail part. Send the verification, and it's gonna send you a verification code. So let me just go back into the inbox from here, and here is the confirmation email, and it's giving you this code, and everybody's code is gonna be different. So I'm just gonna put this in, go back to accounts and select the verify and enter the code here and click the verify. And now you can receive email with the new email address. For this example is shirley.temple@umbc.edu.